Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to delete your Instagram account permanently. Now if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed Instagram on a device and make sure that you are already logged into your Instagram account. So after logging into your Instagram account, you just need to open the Instagram app on a device, and as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. You'll be able to see the number of stories shared by you. Now to delete your account, you just need to go on the profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you just need to click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right, which is also known as the menu section. So from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of settings and private. So from here you just need to click on the option of account center at the very top, and here you'll see the option of profiles, sharing across profiles, logging. Here you'll see the option of profile, sharing across profile, logging in with accounts, and all of it. So from here you just need to click on the option of personal details, and here you'll see the option which says account ownership and control. So click on it, and here you'll see the option that says deactivation or deletion. So click on the option of this, and from here you need to select the account which you want to deactivate or delete. So after that you just need to tap on the option of continue, and you just need to enter your password and click on the option of delete to delete your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.